In this episode will be the happy and optimistic encounter of Lady Lorda and Peter Potato. Mr. Peter Potato will teach you wise ways of cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Lady Lorda is dedicating this episode to Miss Easy, her first granddaughter who loves food, who loves Mr. Potato. So, here's for Easy. Hey guys, hi guys, hi friends, hi family. All the time I add turmeric, ginger, garlic, onion if you have onion. This time I didn't put onion. One of my daughters, she didn't really like onion. So to keep it simple, no onion. Alright, and then after you think it's brown and cook enough, you just pour the egg. We'll show you that in a little bit. Mama, this is your Lady Lorda. Remember to subscribe. Ayan na po, mga kanayon. I just baked 3 eggs. And I put a little milk. So it's fluffy. The secret is like a teaspoon of pancake mix if you have those, or flour. Yan na po mga kanayon, my friends, family, loved ones, followers. Simple food, healthy, with our potato, Mr. Peter Potato. That's our dish. And then we have wild-caught Alaskan salmon that I am slow cooking with. I sprinkle with potatoes as well and ginger. That's all. It's clean, it's healthy, and then if you want to have mixed greens, you can have mixed greens. Some people, they still like to have rice because potato is already carbo.